This year for Fairfield County Giving Day, we are raising money towards 2 sets of portraits that are important to our collection here at the museum and also to the history of the community in Ridgefield. One set of portraits needs framing and the other set of portraits needs conservation and treatment to stabilize the paintings. The portraits of Abijah and Anna Keeler Resseguie are original to the tavern, but about 1840 to 2020 is a long period of time, and over those years these portraits have darkened considerably. Abijah actually has buttonholes in his jacket, but the jacket is so dark we can't see it. What we need to do is have this painting cleaned and brought back to a level where we can see the details. The same is true in the portrait of Anna. What you can't see here are all the details in her dress because it has darkened so much over time. But also because these paintings are both on board, oil on board, over time they also need to be stabilized so the painting doesn't actually flake off. The portraits of Thaddeus and his wife Betsy were painted in 1843. Both have received treatment recently and in very good shape. However, we need to have a period appropriate frame for Betsy, and the frame that Thaddeus is in actually is too big for the panel, and we would like to have a frame that matches that of his wife Betsy.